How's it been?
Good.
Nice and easy?
It's a journey.
For sure. Level of control you've got is awesome. I want to try something just real quick. I want to see how it loosens up. Lean it over, toss it over your toes. Big head shake. Hold that for me right there. There you go.
Whoa.
Done.
Done.
I wanted to loosen up that definition a little bit, just to show off, because it's a flex, how much hair you have. So when it's like, I like that you got the definition there, but then afterwards, like, dish it out a little bit. That's my 2 cents.
She shushes it up for me all the time.
There you go. Perfect. So anything in particular bugging or that you want more of that I did last time?
Honestly, I was gonna go super short. But then I was like, let me just embrace the length and grow it out even more. But just like trim it, yeah, so that it gets healthier. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So that's the plan.
Well, just out of curiosity, when you're wanting to go short, how short?
Like a bob almost,
Gotcha.
but like shorter. So it's like, I don't even know.
Okay.
Shorter?
Shorter.
And I think I'm just gonna embrace the length.
It'll be a sad day for me when you cut this off, because I'm living vicariously through you on this one. It's so cool.
I've always had super long hair.
It's such a good look.
And then I trim it, and then I'm like, no, then I grow it right back.
Yeah, man, there isn't a ton for me to do other than just ends. Your shape grew out really good.
Yes, yeah,
Great
I
job.
definitely don't wash it as much. And I only use the conditioner and the styling cream.
Cool.
And that's it. I don't even use the spray, nothing.
Simple.
Yeah, and it actually looks better with less stuff.
Crazy. That's what I tell people all the time. I'm like, less is more. If you get it healthy, you don't have to depend on a bunch of shit to make it look decent. You don't have to fake it. It actually looks healthy hair. Nothing's gonna beat it.
No, and it actually stays nice. And then whenever I get tired of it, because it gets, I live in Miami, it's so hot. I just tie it up, and the curls look really nice tied up.
Yeah.
So
it's like it's awesome. I'm gonna do the least here. There's gonna be little things that'll pop off here and there, just like keep it tight, but just keep going. Especially if you're messing around with the idea of more length.
I'm thinking like twice the length.
I love that.